So we're gonna do a butt fusion demo for you guys right now. Basically, the goal of fusion, right, is to take two pieces of pipe and join them together, right? There's lots of methods to do that. Some people, sometimes some manufacturers use glue, some use, solder or weld or something like that. We use a thermal fusion technique. So we heat up the two pipes, we bring them up to melt temperature, and then we join them under pressure, and then they form one singular piece of pipe, right? So the first step in this process is the planing process, and what we're going for is we're trying to create two square surfaces that we can then heat up and then fuse. So we'll run the planer first. So typically we're just looking for a couple ribbons of material to come off. We were kind of planing a little bit more because we had the existing fusion there. But you can see when we bring this back together, right? The faces are nice and square, no gaps, right? The pipes line up. So now what we can do is we can go into heat up phase, right? So at this point, this is a two-step process. So that's right. So right here, we have this heat plate in here. The plate's at about 400 degrees, it's 410 degrees. Right now, we're bringing these pipes together against this heat plate at full pressure, right? So what we're trying to do is take those faces that we made and make sure we melt out any potential spots that might be not in contact with the iron, right? So we're just gonna push out a little bit of material and make sure that we have full 100% contact all the way around so that we can let that heat diffuse into the joint. We have our small bead up done, and now we're dropping the pressure. Now we're just maintaining the two pieces of pipe in contact with the heat plate, and we're letting the heat diffuse into the two pipe ends, right? So we're creating this melt zone because this pipe is made of polypropylene, right? It's a bunch of long plastic chains. So by bringing it up to melt temperature, we essentially open up these chains, and when we join them together under pressure, those chains can interlink from both ends, and then you create this singular piece of plastic. We have about 10 more seconds left on this, then we'll open up this carriage and we'll make this fusion. About there. So you see, if the timer runs out on your app, then you can hit next, and it'll also keep track of what your cooling time should be. All right, so we can do our standard 9-minute cool down time. So now we have this joining together. You'll see a small bead form, right? When you join these two, it'll push out a little bit of material, but what you're looking for is this rounded bead to form. And from there, I can move to my next machine and I can start doing my next fusion.